friends, I am Vishnu Prashop. In our previous video, we may see how to get started with Python in Spider IDE. Also, we may install Anaconda Navigator. So, in this video, we can see about the simple Python program with condition statement. Let us Google Python condition statements. Okay, if you Google Python condition statement, you may get a similar result like this. So we can see what is in it. Okay, here is a small definition. In Python, if statement is used for decision making. So decision making is the main purpose of using if statement. This is a simple if statement. This is the syntax for if statement. So here is an if statement starting with if with an expression. It is maybe an expression or it's maybe a condition. If this condition or expression get true, then this statement will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition get false, it will terminate to the else statement and it will activate this statement section. So let us see an example. Here we can see a function. We will see the functions in our next video. In this present video, we will discuss about condition statements. So the first condition statement is if. So here two variables are declared, x and y. It is 2 and 8. So in this if statement, x should be less than y. This is the statement or condition that applied to this if. So here x should be 2 and y should be 8. So 2 less than 8 is true, absolutely correct, and the st string will be called to this print value, and it will print the values as x is less than y, such that we get an output x is less than y. So this is a simple if condition. Let us see how the program works in Spider IDE. Okay, this is a simple program that we can initiate three values a, b and c, and fourth line represent the sum of three values that we have initiated, and we should print the value, and sixth line, starting from sixth line to ending with 12th line, will represent the condition statements. The condition statements follows with an if. So here this will be starting as a greater than b. It is the expression or condition used in this section. So the first value should be greater than second value is the meaning of the first line, and in the seventh line, that means the second condition is a greater than c. That means the first value should be greater than third value. If these both conditions, that means sixth and seventh condition, get true, then the eighth line will be successfully executed. If this both condition get terminated, if the sixth condition get terminated, automatically the seventh condition never execute, because it is inside the seventh condition is inside the sixth condition. So if the sixth condition get terminated, it will directly call else if statement, and the else if statement have b greater than c. That means second value greater than third value. This is a single condition. So if this condition get true, then it will execute the line number 10. That means it will print the value. That means second value will be the greater. The third condition is that if the sixth line and ninth line get terminated, finalize an else statement is declared for saying that the third value is greater compared to first value and second value. So let us execute this simple code. Yes, we had executed. Next we need to initiate values. I initiate value A as 5, B as 3 and C as 8. So if I click enter, the sum of all values is 16. This is what's happening, since there is some mistakes. Just we click one more time. Let's see for one more time. So first value is 3, second value is 4, third value is 5. If I click enter, yes, it is successfully executing that the 5 is greater. We will try for another values. So I will take value A as 6. Sorry. So I will take the first value as 6 and second value as 3 and third value as 4. If I click enter, it will show the sum of all values is 13 and 6 is the greatest, such that if the first value A is 6, second value is 3, that means B is 3 and third value C is 4, the corresponding value get initiated and the sum is also get initiated, and the condition statement check whether A, that means 6 greater than 3. Yes, it's correct. So it will jump to the 7th line and check 6 greater than 4. Yes, it's also correct. So it will randomly print this 8th line. So this is the simple example that was taken from these values. Okay, thank you my dear friends.